Hey everyone, this is Anthony with the Performers Among Us, and today we are going to be breaking down the 5 positions of ballet. But before we can get into specific positions, we need to first talk about being turned out. This is your turnout. And it refers to how your leg is going to be turned away from your center line slightly while dancing. For your turnout, you need to think about twisting your entire leg, starting at your hip socket and squeezing your glutes so you're not turning from your knee or from your ankles. Now we will move to the actual positions. First up is, first position. In first, we will have our heels touching and our feet and legs turned out as far as we can go without losing our balance. And for our arms, we'll make an elongated oval shape, known as a port-de-bras. Next, we will go into second position by stepping out our foot so that our heels are shoulder width apart, and as we step out, our arms will follow by moving away from our center line to where they are both parallel with the ground and slightly curved from the elbow. And then, for third position, we will step our right foot back towards our center line and into the arch of our foot. Make sure that it's not your heels touching, but it's your right heel into your left arch. Then our right arm will follow towards our center line, moving to be in front of us in a port-de-bras position. Next, in fourth position, we will step our right foot directly in front of us so that our heels are in line with one another front to back. Our right arm will then lift to be above our head, keeping that curved shape. Make sure that you're extending your arm more than bending at the elbow. And last but not least, we will go to fifth position. We'll step our right foot back towards our center line and connect our right heel to our left toes. Make sure that we are still turned out in this position. Then our left arm will meet our right arm above our head. Again, make sure to extend those arms and not bend too much at the elbows. And that's it. Those are your 5 positions for ballet. Remember, this is your foundation for dance. So make sure you're memorizing all of these positions, what they're called, and practicing that turnout coming from your hips. It's very important to understand this part of dance, so in the future, as we learn different exercises, you'll understand where we're starting from, so you'll be able to learn where we are going. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. If you have any questions or requests for us to do a different technique or skill, please just comment down below. Have a great day and keep on performing.